Ang stock is a business. It's just that it is a public listed company. Let's use Jollibee as an example. Alam nyo ba, yung initial public offering ng Jollibee back in 1993 ay 9 pesos lang per share. As of March 4, 2025, yung value ng Jollibee per share ay umabot na ng 257.20 pesos. Your profit is 2,757% for the past 32 years. Yung average yearly natin na profit is 86%. I know na we cannot go back in time para mabili yung Jollibee at 9 pesos per share. But then again, hindi lahat ng stocks ay maganda in terms of profitability as an investor. Let's use this as an example. Merrimart. Initial public offering happened in 2020. Magkano yung value? 1 peso per share. As of March 4, 2025, yung value ng Merrimart is 58 centavos. Yung lugi mo ay umabot ng 42% in 5 years time. However, yung Merrimart at that time, if I remember it correctly, umabot siya ng 3 pesos and you could have sold it at a higher price. Paano ba mag-invest sa stock market? Kailangan natin ng stock brokerage account. So personally, ang ginagamit ko is First Metro Securities, but meron ding BPI Trade, Call Financial, Philstocks, Dragonfly, marami pang iba.